equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a nice simple welding positioner. It's made by Koike. It's a nice clean machine. Has a variable speed controller here, foot pedal operation. Lets you know what speed you're at. Now the previous owner of this one set it up really nice. They put a really nice stand with casters on there. You'll also notice there's a little jack down there. What that allows you to do is jack this up right off of this platform. You can tighten these bolts and that'll let you raise or lower this entire thing to be able to get your different action that you need to be. You'll also notice right here for tilting, really simple operation. Just turn this handle, it's going to tilt your table back and forth. Nice, simple, easy machine to use. If you're looking for anything like this or anything other, even larger, maybe up to 50,000 pounds, we've seen them all. Give us a call if you have something for sale, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.